I know living with hepatitis B is really challenging. You face several health issues just because of your poor liver health and inflammation of liver due to hepatitis B infection. But what if I told you that there are some supplements that support liver health and decrease viral load alongside treatment? Yes, there are supplements which speed up your treatment and improve your liver health. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash, your liver doctor. In today's video, I will discuss the supplements you should take to care for your liver and prevent health complications related to hepatitis B viral infection. So, your first liver health supplement is milk thistle. It is scientifically known as Silybum marianum. This plant has been used for over 2000 years to treat liver disorders. Its active compound is silymarin, which is powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Well, do you know what science indicates about silymarin? A 2017 study in Journal Medicine showed that milk thistle reduced ALT and AST liver enzyme levels in patients with chronic liver disease. Silymarin helps regenerate liver cells and prevent toxin from binding to liver tissue. Well, one of its prominent benefits is that it neutralizes free radicals that causes liver cell damage during chronic infection. Now, what is its recommended dose? Its common dose is 150 to 300 milligram, 2 to 3 times per day with meals. But if you take it in a supplement form, then you should look for a standardized extract with 70 to 80% silymarin. Now, the second liver health supplement is omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats do more than just help your heart. They are also beneficial for your liver. Do you know what science tells us about omega-3? Omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, are known to reduce inflammation and fat accumulation, which are common in people with chronic hepatitis B. A study in hepatology research found omega-3s reduce liver fat and improve enzyme level in people with chronic liver disease. Omega-3s are also antifibrotic. They may help slow or prevent scar tissue formation in the liver. Now, let's discuss its recommended dose. You can take 1000 to 2000 milligram per day, ideally with meals. Well, one thing I recommend is to look for high quality fish oil with at least 1000 mg EPA by DHA combined per serving, or consider eating fish 2 times a week. Now, let's move to the third supplement. It is N-acetylcysteine or NAC. NAC is a form of amino acid cysteine, but its real power is in boosting your liver's most important antioxidant, which is glutathione. Glutathione in your liver's detox superhero. It helps break down toxins and repair damage and protect cells in chronic hepatitis B. It is commonly noticed that oxidative stress is high and glutathione levels are often depleted. Some studies show that NAC replenishes glutathione and helps protect liver cells during ongoing infection. Well, there is a clinical trial in Liver International which indicates that NAC supplementation improved liver function in patients with chronic hepatitis. Alright. So these are the 3 best supplements for your better liver health that will help you with hepatitis B. I hope you found this video interesting. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks. Have a nice day.